Given that the Galaxy's Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 have been repeatedly criticized in recent weeks, Samsung's foldable future is in jeopardy. Originally slated to be Samsung's flagship device, the Z Fold 7's manufacturing objectives have been reduced from 800,000 to 630,000 units. Samsung's own confidence is eroding, as seen by the fact that book-style foldables are not as popular as sleeker, more portable clamshells. In an effort to make foldables more widely available, the Z Flip 7 Fan Edition had its manufacturing goals reduced from 210,000 units to 170,000 units. This seems Samsung does not anticipate a global sensation from its new foldables. Over the course of 5 months, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 from the previous year sold an estimated 2.9 million and 2.1 million units, respectively. It's hard to think the Z Flip 7 will reach the 3 million milestone on its present course. The much-awaited trifold Galaxy gadget, which isn't featured in the most recent Korean rumors, isn't going to make a difference. Folding could soon be a thing of the past if the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 can lead to an unexpected resurgence. The eagerly awaited Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 are set to revolutionize the foldable experience and usher in a daring new era of innovation, nevertheless. In addition to a titanium backplate and an ultra-thin hinge, the Fold 7 will include a new power management system that increases battery life and facilitates quicker charging with a 25W adapter. With a beta release of One UI 8, which can be seen in the Samsung Internet Browser app, Samsung has confirmed the names of the forthcoming Galaxy's Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. The listing only shows up when users are using One UI 8, which is limited to Galaxy S25 handsets and is currently in beta testing. The trailer for the alleged Galaxy's Fold Ultra powerhouse has evolved into a gaudy marketing gimmick. Early in July, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Flip 7, and potentially a new family member, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE or Flipped FE, are set to launch. The exact date of the launch has not been confirmed, however rumors indicate it may take place in New York. The Galaxy's Fold 7 is anticipated to have an 8.2-inch screen with hardly noticeable bezels, offering a captivating media watching and multitasking experience. A 200MP powerful camera, the Snapdragon 8 Elite engine, a bigger cover display, a lighter and thinner design, and even a smaller crease are all said to be features of Samsung's most advanced foldable phone to date. There won't be a distinct Ultra version. There will just be a single Galaxy's Fold 7 with everything. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.